What's up YouTube? Here we have a Nike by You, or a Nike ID, or a custom Nike, whatever you want to call it. These are pretty sought after. In Canada we can make Nike by You dunk lows in any colorway we want. So I decided I'll make a Tiffany colorway, and I mean, these are crazy. They're not really available. But if you can get your hands on a pair of these, I think they're gonna start letting you do this in America soon. If you can get your hands on a pair of these, I would strongly suggest making your own colorway. This is the colorway I chose. I thought it was a great decision. There's a lot of cool stuff when you get a Nike by You. That's how the wrapping looks. Now this is definitely a personal over here. We're gonna throw these on foot in just a second. I don't think anyone really has these except me. I've never seen another pair. That's one of my favorite things about these custom Nikes. If you're not a fan of custom Nikes, I'll have a StockX affiliate marketing link for some GR dunks, Panda dunks, Tiffany dunks in the description. If you want to check them out, go ahead. I'm going to stick with my customs. I think they're great. Sorry for the interruption, I just had to change the memory card. These are my Tiffany dunk lows. I can't really justify buying the full price ones on StockX. But for you top G's, big ballers out there, maybe check out the links in the description. I really don't know why you want any other dunk other than this. I think these are crazy. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Really, you can't get better sneakers than these. I'm a huge fan of custom Nike products. The custom ones that you get from the Nike website, I don't mind making them myself, but I was never good at that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. I'm just trying to get a nice little thumbnail here. Goodbye.